Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. Which 1960s American car featured a unique aluminum body and was designed for racing? A. 1962, Shelby Cobra 260. B. 1964, Ford GT40, Mark I. C. 1965, Chevrolet Corvair, Monza Spider. D. 1963, Studebaker Avanti. Correct answer. A. 1962, Shelby Cobra 260. Fun fact: the Shelby Cobra 260 was built with lightweight aluminum and powered by a Ford V8 engine, making it a fierce competitor in sports car racing. Still haven't subscribed? What, you want the channel to stay without 1,000 subscribers? Subscribe and join our car lovers team? I promise, it's fun here, and there's always something new. Question 2. Which car was one of the earliest examples of a muscle car with a high-performance engine? A. 1961, Dodge Polara 500. B. 1964, Pontiac GTO. C. 1962, Mercury Monterey S55. D. 1963, Buick Riviera. Correct answer. B. 1964, Pontiac GTO. Fun fact: the GTO is often credited with kickstarting the muscle car craze, featuring a powerful 389 cubic inch V8 engine and aggressive styling. Question 3. Which American car was known for its innovative fiberglass body and rear-mounted engine? A. 1965, Oldsmobile Jetstar I. B. 1960 Chevrolet Corvair. C. 1962, Studebaker Lark Daytona. D. 1968, Ford Torino Talladega. Correct answer. B. 1960 Chevrolet Corvair. Fun fact: the Chevrolet Corvair broke the mold with its air-cooled rear-mounted engine and lightweight fiberglass body, offering a distinctive driving experience. Question 4. Which luxury coupe introduced in the 1960s became a symbol of elegance and innovation? A. 1961, Lincoln Continental. B. 1963, Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. C. 1964, Chrysler Imperial Crown Coupe. D. 1969, AMC AMX. Correct answer. A 1961 Lincoln Continental. Fun fact: the Lincoln Continental featured iconic suicide doors and set a standard for American luxury vehicles, making it a favorite among presidents and celebrities. Question 5. Which car introduced in 1963 was Studebaker's last attempt to revive its brand with futuristic styling? A. 1966 Ford Fairlane GT. B. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. C. 1963, Studebaker Avanti. D. 1968, Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Correct answer. C. 1963, Studebaker Avanti. Fun fact: the Avanti was ahead of its time with aerodynamic styling, a supercharged engine option, and the first disc brakes on an American production car. Question 6. Which sporty car featured a fiberglass body and debuted as a roadster? A. 1964, Dodge Dart GT convertible. B. 1962, Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. C. 1966, Ford Thunderbird Landau. D. 1968, Mercury Cougar XR7. Correct answer, B. 1962 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Fun fact, this Stingray introduced sharp lines and hidden headlights, revolutionizing Corvette design and cementing its place as a performance icon. Question 7. Which compact American car of the 1960s was known for its affordability and versatility? A. 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2. B. 1960 Rambler American. C. 1964 Ford Falcon. D. 1969 AMC Hornet. Correct answer, B. 1960 Rambler American. Fun fact, the Rambler American offered a reliable, economical ride, appealing to budget-conscious drivers during the early 1960s. Question 8. Which car was introduced as a performance-focused fastback with an optional high-horsepower engine? A. 1967 Plymouth GTX. B. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. C. 1968 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. D. 1966 Pontiac Bonneville. Correct answer, C. 1968 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Fun fact, the Shelby GT 500 packed a 428 cubic inch V8 engine, combining raw power with iconic Mustang style, making it a classic muscle car favorite. Question 9. Which full-size convertible offered bold tail fins and luxurious features? A. 1964 Oldsmobile Starfire. B. 1961 Chrysler 300G convertible. C. 1962 Mercury Monterey convertible. D. 1968 Buick Electra 225. Correct answer, B. 1961 Chrysler 300G convertible. Fun fact, the Chrysler 300G boasted a powerful 413 cubic inch V8 engine and unique cross-ram induction, paired with bold styling and a luxurious interior. Question 10. Which American car was developed as a mid-size luxury vehicle with sporty handling? A. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. B. 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix. C. 1963 Mercury Marauder. D. 1969 Buick Riviera GS. Correct answer, a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Fun fact, the Chevelle Malibu offered a balance of comfort, performance, and style, becoming a popular choice among mid-size car buyers in the 1960s.
Results, 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.